How to turn off Instagram profile picture zoom. Hi guys, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how, you may follow up this method. So go ahead and open up Instagram. After that, you may head over to the bottom right corner, tap on your profile, and your profile page opens up. So what you need to do is, at the top right corner, you should be finding 3 horizontal lines. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, you will be given settings and activity. Now from here, scroll down, go to option called account privacy, tap on it. And once you tap on it, here in the section right under this account privacy section, you should be finding option called allow profile picture expansion with the toggle option. All you gotta do is simply turn this option off, and that will turn off Instagram profile picture zoom. So this feature may not be available in all the regions. So if you have it, you can follow up this method for now. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.